हेलो बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप सभी। उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सभी बहुत अच्छे से होंगे। क्लास की शुरुआत करते हैं। चैप्टर है हमारा आवर हेरिटेज। यू विल लर्न अबाउट हेरिटेरी कंट्री, different monuments of kings Ashoka's Mughal period, etc. India is our country. It is famous all over the world for its rulers, their cultures, and essentially the monuments built by them. These monuments reflect the heritage of our country and stand as evidences portraying the excellence of architectural styles of India. The Hindu, Jain, Buddhist, Dravidian, and Persian art talk about India's 5,000-year-old civilization. 5 साल पुराने सिविलाइजेशन के इंडिया के बारे में ये सभी चीज़ें बताती हैं। टुडे दिस मॉन्यूमेंट्स आर प्रोटेक्टेड एंड लुक्ड आफ्टर बाय अ गवर्नमेंट एजेंसी नोन एज आर्कियोलॉजी सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया यानी ASI। इनके द्वारा इन सारी चीज़ों का, इन सारे मॉन्यूमेंट्स का ध्यान रखा जाता है। डिड यू नो, क्या आप जानते हैं, आर्किटेक्चर इज अ ग्रेट अचीवमेंट ऑफ द इंडियन सिविलाइजेशन। द टाउन प्लानिंग एट इंडस वैली इज द अर्लीस्ट एग्जाम्पल ऑफ आर्किटेक्चर इन इंडिया। इंपॉर्टेंट मॉन्यूमेंट्स ऑफ किंग अशोका। किंग अशोका के जो इंपॉर्टेंट मॉन्यूमेंट्स हैं उनके बारे में जान लेते हैं। अशोका द ग्रेट वॉज अ फेमस एंड एमिनेंट मौर्यनर ruler. He did a lot of charitable services and built great monuments through which he spread the teaching of Lord Buddha. Sanchi Stupa. It is built on a hillock 70 kilometers away from Bhopal in Madhya Pradesh. This monument is a hemispherical mound on which the teachings of Buddha are inscribed. It has 4 entrances with beautiful sculptures on each. There is an archaeological museum at the base of the stupa which houses the images of Lord Buddha and the lion capital at the Mauryan period. Sarnath Pillar. It is built at a place where Lord Buddha preached his first sermon after attaining enlightenment. It is located 10 kilometers away from Varanasi. The Ashoka pillar located here is known as the lion capital. It is now the emblem of the government of India. लायन कैपिटल जो है वो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया का अब एम्बलम बन चुका है। इंपॉर्टेंट मॉन्यूमेंट्स ऑफ कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक कंस्ट्रक्टेड कुतुब मीनार इन 1206 AD टू कमेमोरेट हिज विक्ट्री ऑफ मॉडर्न दिल्ली। मॉडर्न दिल्ली के विक्ट्री पर उसने ये बनाया था, बट इट वॉज हिज सक्सेसर लिटुमिश हु completed it. This is an ancient, majestic and famous monument located at Mehrauli in Delhi. It is built of red sandstone with 5 stories and a spiral staircase with 399 steps. The height of the tower is also 72.5 meters. Each story of the tower is of different pattern. Qutub Minar is the highest stone tower in India. The Quran verses are inscribed in calligraphy bands on its walls. At the center of the arena lies the famous iron pillar of 4th century built during the Gupta period. The iron pillar, though exposed to sun and rain, is not corroded or rusted till that and stands as an evidence for the metallurgical skills of ancient India's. Important monuments of the Mughal period. Mughal period के जो important monuments हैं, Humayun's tomb in Delhi, Agra Fort in Agra, and Buland Darwaza and Panch Mahal at Fatehpur Sikri are famous monuments built by Akbar. The great Shah Jahan, one of the Mughal kings, were popularly known as the engineer king and the prince of builders for this magnificent work like Taj Mahal and Moti Masjid in Agra and Red Fort and Jama Masjid in Delhi. Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal stands on the bank of river Yamuna in Agra. It was built by Shah Jahan in memory of his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal. It is built out of white marble and took about 22 years to complete. The cost of building the Taj Mahal was about rupees 3 crores. There are 4 minarets at the 4 corners of the Taj Mahal. इसे बनाने में 22 साल लगा और 3 करोड़ इसमें खर्च हुआ था। The interior and exterior of Taj Mahal are decorated with the artistic design and calligraphy. The main structure of the Taj Mahal, a dream in marble, is surrounded by ornament gardens, fountains and pools. It is also called the Queen of Architecture. इसे Queen of Architecture भी कहा जाता है and the treasure in beauty, और इसे treasure of in beauty भी कहा जाता है. It is ranked number 1 amongst the 7 wonders of the world in the recently conducted poll in July 2007. Red Fort. It is built of red stone and marble. There are 2 gateways as entrance. The Diwane-am, Diwane Khas and Rang Mahal are the buildings enclosed inside the Red Fort. On national festivals like Independence Day and Republic Day, the Prime Minister and the President of our country unfurl the national flag from the ramparts of the Red Fort. Did you know? क्या आप जानते हैं? The Ajanta and Ellora caves are included in the list of World Heritage Sites by UNESCO in 1983. Important monuments at the Pallavas. The Pallavas were the first well-known dynasty in the history of the ocean. Narasimha was a great ruler of this dynasty. He laid the foundation for the city of Mallammapuram, the present Mahabalipuram, near Chennai, Tamil Nadu. He adorned the city with rock-cut rathas or 7 pagodas. Each rath is carved from a single boulder of rock. The best group of rathas are the Panch Padva rathas. The Pallava kings were great patrons of architecture and sculpture. The famous temples of Kanchi still stand as a testimony of the magnificent contributions of the Pallavas. The temple at Mahabalipuram closer to the shore and Kailasnath temple at Kanchi are marvels of their architecture. These monuments bring to light the rich heritage and culture of our motherland, India. It is our duty to look after the various monuments and preserve them for our future generations. ये हमारा दायित्व बनता है कि हमारे फ्यूचर जनरेशन्स के लिए हम इन्हें प्रिजर्व करके रखें, हम इन्हें संभाल कर रखें। बच्चों अब आ जाते हैं न्यू वर्ड्स पर। मॉन्यूमेंट्स यानी अ स्टैचू, बिल्डिंग और अदर स्ट्रक्चर erected to commemorate a notable person or event. Heritage, property that is or may be inherited and inheritance. Architecture, the art or practice of designing and constructing buildings. Points to remember. The lion, capital of the Sarnath pillar, is adopted as a national emblem of India. The best group of rathas are Panch Padma rathas. The best group of rathas are Panch Pandava rathas. On Independence Day and Republic Day, the Prime Minister of our country unfold the national flag. These monuments are protected and looked after by a government agency known as the Archaeological Survey of India यानी ASI. The Taj Mahal is also called the Queen of Architecture and the Treasure in Beauty. बच्चों अब आ जाते हैं एक्सरसाइज पर। इसके एक्सरसाइज की प्रैक्टिस आप खुद से कीजिएगा।